Hey folks, it's Mark from the Safe House. I want to show you one of my favorite safes that we have, kind of our higher end security safe, and it's the American Security BFX model, and this is one of their biggest ones. It's the 7250, and the reason I like this, it's got the plate door, and on the BFX, they either have a 3/8 inch plate, which they have on this 7250, or like the smaller units, they have a 1/2 inch plate. So a very solid constructed door, double wall here. The body is double wall with 12 gauge and 11 gauge double wall, which they have this little cutout right here. And so double wall construction, and then fire wise, they've got an ETL, there goes my phone right there, ETL fire rating for 2 hours at 1200 degrees. So really good fire rating. And then the way they do that, they do it with this dry light concrete material, which gives you a really good 2-hour fire rating on this. So this is the AMSEC BFX Series, door package standard, adjustable shelving, the mirror in the back that gives it a little nicer look and projects those LED lights. So if you have any questions about the BFX model AMSEC, really one of the best safes on the market in this level of security, give us a call here at one of our 3 locations or go to thesafehouse.com.